Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily configure LACP or Link Aggregation Control Protocol on Cisco switches. So we have two types of protocols. One is LACP and the other one is Port Aggregation Protocol. So nowadays we what I've seen is the standard one is usually used on Cisco switches. So this is what we are working. This is what we are using at work. Um, so even if our switches are all Cisco switches. So let me go ahead and configure ADCP. So I have this topology here. So very simple topology. So basically, I'm going to configure LACP between switch 1 and switch and core, and the core switch. And I'm going to use these ports here, physical ports, Ethernet 0/2, Ethernet 0/1 on both ends, switch 1 and the core switch. All right, so let me go ahead and start configuring switch 1. Was trying to check spanning tree here earlier. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is configure the physical ports. So this is a layer 2 link aggregation control protocol that we are trying to configure. So basically, what you are going to configure the physical ports first. So I'm going to do that on the switch, on switch 1. So it says creating a port channel, interface port channel 1. And I'm going to do the same. So it says here, the port is suspended currently, LACP currently not enabled on the other switch. So I'm going to configure same on the core switch. And you have to go into enable mode. And it says creating a port channel interface, port channel 1. And of course, save the config. Yeah, and save the config. If I do a show IP interface brief, now I see this port channel 1, and I will see the same on switch 1 as well. Okay, so now if I verify the configuration, now I see group is 1, port channel is 1, and protocol is LACP, and these are the physical ports. Yeah. And we see here that port channel S stands for layer 2, D is down. Why is it down? And let me do the same command on this switch. It says D, down. Let me double check the configuration. So the physical ports are on switch 1, E0/2, which is this, Ethernet 0/2, Ethernet 0/1. They are both down, down. Up, down. So what I'm going to do is I will shut and no shut them. See if that will bring the ports to a up status. Okay, and core one, I mean core, it's actually, yeah, the ports are down, admin down. So I need to no shut those. Oops, this is the issue actually. Save. Okay, hopefully our port channel is now up. I mean, it was up earlier. That was up, but the physical ports were admin down, so it's not gonna work. Check here, save the config again if I didn't save it. Okay, so physical ports are now up. Let me use this command again on switch one. So it says layer 2 S and U is now in use. P means bundled in port channel. So now it's now it looks good. Before it was D, which stands for down. And let me do the same command on the core switch. Same. And this is another command here that you can use to basically check the physical settings of the port channel. So now we see 200 meg instead of, yeah, the physical port is only 100 meg. And we now see the members of the channel, which is these ports, as you can see here. I will also issue the same command on switch one, 200 meg, and members in this channel are these ports. So that's how you can configure LACP on Cisco switches. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next one.